How to valve locate. 1 minute. Hook your 2 wires up, or your wire that you're looking for the zone. Whatever zone, I'm looking for 2. Ground it out, grounding stick. Max out your lawn. Make sure it's on normal. Null it, so when it's silent over the wire, that's the wire. It nulls right there. See how it nulls? So it's going through there, and I've already checked. Comes out right there. See where it gets silent? And if you walk up here with this big old tree, and you'll notice that the null has changed right. So you see the difference. Now you don't hear it as much, so when you go over it, that's the difference. And then you could peek it. And look at it that way.